Hi all, in this video I am going to show you how to create database. To work with SQL Server, what we need is SQL Server Management Studio. I am using SQL Server Express Edition, which is totally free. You can find it out on Microsoft website and you can download and install it. Do remember, whenever you go for installations, first install SQL Server, then proceed for installing Visual Studio. You won't face any problem. So I have SQL Server installed on my system, Express Edition, which is free. Now if I go for View Object Explorer, I find many folders here. One of them is databases. If I explore this, it will show me all the databases that I have created. Now if I want to create a database, it's very simple. I can simply right click on the database folder and say add new database. Going to name the database as MyDB. Now if you observe, whenever I name the database as MyDB, it is going to create database files. One is MyDB, another is MyDB_log. Now what is MyDB? MyDB contains the actual data and MyDB_log contains the log details. That is what all the operations that we are performing on various tables, at what time and who is performing that. So this file contains the log entries, but our actual data will be in MyDB. Now if I create the database, initially how much size should it occupy on the hard disk? It is 3 MB by default. If I want, I can increment it by 1. I can make it 4 MB, 5 MB, 6 MB as I like. I can move till my hard disk the size that I have. Auto growth. What if this 4 MB gets filled? I have created a database and initial size is 4 MB and I started inserting data into the database. If 4 MB is full, what is that it should do? It should move for auto growth by 1 MB and it should grow till no limit, unrestricted growth. If I click here, I can change the settings. I can make it grow in percentages or in fixed megabyte size, and I can unrestrict the file growth, or if I want, I can restrict the file growth till 100 MB. I say OK. That means my file can grow till 100 MB. Let me make it unrestricted. Say OK. Where is this file being stored? It is being stored in C:\, program Microsoft SQL Server in data folder. Same way, I have log file. Initial size is 1 MB and it is getting incremented automatically by 10%. I'll say OK. I got my database MyDB. If I explore this, it will in turn contain many folders: database diagram, tables, views, synonyms, programmability, service broker, storage, security. Anyway, we are not going to work with all these folders, but few of them, like tables. In this database, if I want to create table, normally a database contains a number of tables. If I want to create the table, I'll be using this tables folder.